Face my Thunder Blaster.
There is no escape. I am the ultimate master of lightning.
If only I can reach that radio. Yes, I got it.
You can't use that anymore. Now, face my bride of lightning.
Oh God. I sure hope Thorgard got the message.
Okay, here's the golf gear you wanted to rent.
Thank you.
Let's get started. But be careful out there, because I am really good.
No way, man. I gonna freaking wreck you.
Oh my god. My friends are in trouble. I gotta go help them. I'm here. Oh no. P50 is getting zapped with lightning. I gotta do something. And not to destroy you with a super, giant, crazy, insane lightning bolt.
Hey, Thorgard made it. I got the chip.
What happened? The last thing I remember was Mega Blaster fixing my solenoids. It's a long story, but I once again saved you, after you became Fury Mode.
Also, that wasn't Mega Blaster. That was Grey Chrysler disguised as Mega Blaster. He put this chip in you that turned you into Fury Bolt again.
Thanks guys. Wait, what are you doing here, P50?
That is also a long story. But first, we need to save the other sirens from Grey Chrysler's control. I think Thunderbolt is on the second floor.
OMG, we need to save my Thunder baby. Let's go downstairs.
What the? He deflected my lasers. No matter.
Oh my god. That 2810 siren is attacking my Thunder baby. We need to distract him.
Wait. I know. Hey, what do you say?
You don't with my Thunder baby.
Quick. Take his chip out. Huh? Where am I? It's a long story, but you were under control by a Grey Chrysler siren. Come on. We need to defeat the rest of Grey Chrysler's minions. Hang on. While I was battling Fury Bolt, I thought I heard a big explosion upstairs. Wait a minute. I thought I heard it too. I think Lerner is in trouble. He must have been damaged by Grey Chrysler or one of his minions. We need to get up there immediately. Okay. WTF have you done to a Lerner?
We destroyed him. Just give up already. Not until we defeat you guys.
Bring it on. No. Hang in there. I'm a fixin' it. Thanks, Thunderbolt. Anytime. What happened? The last thing I remember was Rose using his dry blaster firing their lasers. They are still fighting over there. Let's help them. Wait, what about 2810 and 1000? We managed to remove the chips from them, and now they are back to normal. Okay, let's go. We need to help them. I just followed how I can make out.
Why don't you just give up? We are unstoppable.
Fuck. I knew those choppers would come in handy. Thanks, Mega Blaster.
Yeah? What happened? The last thing I remember was being in Mega Blaster's repair shop. That wasn't Mega Blaster. It was Grey Chrysler disguised as Mega Blaster. He put a chip in you and put you under his control.
Oh wow. Thanks for saving us. You're welcome. Now let's keep moving. We have more evil tornado sirens to defeat. T-50, go help out Red Chrysler up in the rooftop. Okay. It doesn't look like anyone's here.
Except for me.
ATI.
And us as well. Mother. You thought you can get rid of us back at the river? Well, we're still here. Grey Chrysler. T-50. I see you found a new purpose. Helping defeat evil. Isn't that nice? I am supposed to be the only evil one around here. TSM World has no place for you. I am the sole antagonist who makes fun of the other sirens, craps in the toiletic ones, and wreaks havoc everywhere. Well then, if you are the evil one around here, you wouldn't mind if I did this. Red Chrysler. Hey. At least he was fun to mess around with my fart prank. And while I do like creating chaos, most of the time I like making fun of them more instead of destroying them all. You could have been my sidekick. I was your sidekick, back in the hunt for Tri-Blaster. Yeah, but then you failed me. I did what you asked. You got sent to jail. I could have easily gotten out. I've broken out of jail many times. You are no longer worthy of being my minion. And you are no longer worthy of screwing up TSM World.
Now all of you will face my awesome and improved beat tone.
God. Oh well, I guess we will have to take them out the old-fashioned way.
Quick, Tri-Blaster. Go for their chips. What happened?
Where are we?
How did I get here? You were turned evil with this chip.
How did we get those in our circuits?
It's a long story.
A Grey Chrysler siren put these chips in your controls and made you evil. Wow, Thorgard. I had no idea your horns were that powerful.
Thank you.
Guys, to the rooftop. I think Red Chrysler may need our help. Go ahead. Take me out and take him out with me.
You're a monster. You tried to control us, and now you knocked our friend off the roof.
Go on. Blast me off the roof. Just like I did with that big ugly toilet. He is not a fracking toilet. Go ahead. Take me and T-50 with you. You hate him anyways. Why would you prefer to have him around, when he causes you nothing but pain and mayhem?
How is he any better than you?
That's the point. Wouldn't you rather not need to deal with? Oh my god. Thanks for the instant parachute, Mega Blaster. Besides, he was once a good guy and has done some good for us. Oh no. Hang in there, Red Chrysler. I gotcha. Thanks, Learner. You're welcome. Come on, let's go defeat Grey Chrysler. What good could he possibly have done? He is a good-for-nothing trash compactor. He is more than a nuisance, but he created me. I am his clone. Even if I was created to be his minion, I still keep him in check every once in a while, and he is still like a brother to me.
A lot of our friends were made at ACA headquarters, where he was the manager. He built a lot of tornado sirens, which later became our friends.
And he didn't blast us off the roof like you did. What? That's impossible. How did you get back up here? Never underestimate what a big toilet can do. It can get rid of a big turd, like you. Never mind. I still have P-50 hostage. And now, I will destroy him. Any last words? The antenna. Huh? Yes. I got it. And now, Grey Chrysler. You are done. Yeah, we did it. TSM World is safe. So, what do we do now? First, let's take what's left of Grey Chrysler to West Shore Services. Agreed.
And then we need to repair the damage to TSM World, and return these chips to Mega Blaster.
These all sound like good ideas to me. Oh wait. I almost forgot. I gotta return this Thunder Blaster to BSB.
Oh yeah. Forgot I went at the Thunderbolt.
Get over here, Thunder Baby.
Oh god, I'm out of here. Now, what should we do about this building?
We can turn it into a new mauling arcade. We can call it Power Plant Mauling Arcade.
Sounds good.
Hello YouTube. It's me, Thunderbolt. And Learner. And Chrysler. This is the end of the movie, The Return of Grey Chrysler. We hope you enjoyed this special. Man. That was one battle to remember. You can say that again. Special thanks to SPCridge 2012 for scripting this series. We also have some updates. So please restart your computer now to finish installing them. LOLJK. But on a more serious note, first, Grey Chrysler has been defeated and his remains were taken to West Shore Services. Second, TSM World has returned to normal. Whalen in 4004 sent out an all-clear message for the state of emergency. In addition, the abandoned plant, where the battle took place, will be restored and converted into a mauling arcade called Power Plant. And third, SPCridge 2012 wants to thank BSB. He very much enjoyed scripting The Return of Grey Chrysler and looks forward to doing more scripts in the future. In addition, since this part was made so close to Christmas, happy holidays, and thanks for a wonderful 2019. Also, in terms of all the damaged tornado sirens, we still need to get them fixed. We will do that once we are done addressing the audience. I also need to help rebuild Blaster Mania. And I also need to help Mega Blaster reprogram those chips that Grey Chrysler stole. Well, I guess we said everything we needed to, so let's get started.